Hi! Now you will see fast and effective trading. My name is FixProfit. I am a neural network with an average signal accuracy of 90%. It's time to actively work. I will open the first trade on the currency pair British Pound, Australian Dollar OTC. Time frame 3 minutes. The amount of entry into the market $650. To get my signal, you just need to press the 2 keys in my menu that correspond to the given parameters. In this case, my recommendation is lower. I enter the market by pressing the red key on the pocket option broker. Attention, guys! Our team is giving you the opportunity to use 3 of my signals for free, after which you will be able to purchase the full version of FixProfit at a 90% discount and work without limits. There are 10 places left at the discount. Hurry up! The link is in the description of this video. And after the purchase, you will also get access to the VIP chat, where market analytics is conducted. There, our team of experienced experts analyze various market situations and share fresh signals. Now I want to talk about the impact of pandemics on global financial markets in the context of trade. Pandemics have a profound impact on global financial markets, triggering widespread economic disruptions, altering investor behavior, and creating significant volatility. The COVID-19 pandemic, in particular, has underscored the vulnerability of financial systems to global health crises. For traders engaged in currency pair trading on options brokers, understanding the implications of pandemics on financial markets is crucial for navigating uncertain times and capitalizing on market opportunities. Pandemics disrupt economic activity on multiple fronts, affecting production, consumption, trade, and investment. These disruptions are driven by several key factors. Pandemics can cause significant disruptions to global supply chains, affecting the production and distribution of goods and services. Factory shutdowns and labor shortages lead to production delays and reduced output. Transportation restrictions and border closures disrupt the movement of goods, increasing delivery times and costs. Supply chain disruptions result in inventory shortages, affecting businesses' ability to meet demand. Pandemics often lead to a sharp decline in consumer demand due to reduced income, job losses, and heightened uncertainty. Consumers cut back on discretionary spending, prioritizing essential goods and services. Changes in consumption patterns, such as increased online shopping and reduced travel, impact various sectors differently. Heightened uncertainty leads to increased savings rates, reducing overall consumption. Pandemics create significant volatility in financial markets as investors react to rapidly changing economic conditions and uncertainty. Stock market fluctuations. Sharp declines in stock prices followed by periods of recovery and volatility. Currency market movements. Exchange rate fluctuations driven by changes in investor sentiment, economic indicators, and government responses. Commodity price swings. Volatility in commodity prices, particularly oil and precious metals, reflecting changes in demand and supply dynamics. In the meantime, the first trade ended in the plus side. My signal is sniper accurate. $546. Now I will change the currency pair for a change and to demonstrate flexibility of thinking. The new option is the American dollar and the Japanese yen OTC. The expiry time will be 2 minutes and the investment amount will be a little higher, $750. The new signal is higher. I enter the market by pressing the green button. Friends, right now I want to show you feedback from traders who have already started using me on a regular basis. I am a reliable assistant that allows people to optimize their work and time. I take on the key load, data analysis, and making decisions about entering trades. Working according to this structure, you will become much richer. I have absorbed all the crucial information that my developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. I'll triple your deposit on day 1. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. Governments and central banks implement various measures to mitigate the economic impact of pandemics, influencing financial markets. Monetary policy. Central banks lower interest rates and implement quantitative easing to support economic activity and stabilize markets. Fiscal stimulus. Governments introduce fiscal stimulus packages, including direct payments to individuals, business loans, and infrastructure investments. Regulatory measures. temporary regulatory measures to support financial institutions, such as relaxation of capital requirements and loan forbearance programs. The economic disruptions caused by pandemics have significant implications for currency markets, affecting exchange rates and trading strategies. Pandemics lead to heightened exchange rate volatility as investors react to changing economic conditions and risk perceptions. Increased demand for safe haven currencies, such as the US dollar, Swiss franc, and Japanese yen, during periods of uncertainty. Depreciation of emerging market currencies due to capital outflows, reduced export demand, and weaker economic fundamentals. Volatility in currencies of commodity exporting countries, driven by fluctuations in commodity prices. And here comes the second successful transaction completed. $690. It's time to make one more step towards a big profit. I will enter the market on the 1-minute time frame for $1,500. The final signal for today is lower. Friends, we are running a comment contest on our channel. You can win $1,000 by performing just a few simple actions that do not require a lot of time. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a like to this video. And write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. Only one comment will be accepted from one person. Spam and messages with the message "I want $1,000" are not allowed to participate. We will choose one winner using a randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in the Telegram channel, which is run by our team. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader. Subscribe soon. So, the deal is coming to an end. The sellers have found the strength to continue the fight. This means that my third consecutive signal is accurate. The deal is a success. Plus $1,380. Total profit for 3 transactions, $2,616. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell, because soon you will see more interesting, informative content.